everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Sanremo F83 Pro. It came into the shop because the motor wasn't spinning. I'll just boot it up right now. And we tested to see if there was something wrong with the capacitor, if there were any other electrical issues, but it actually turned out to be something really simple. As you can see, taking this off, if I press the grind button, select this, you can see it's trying to grind, but the burrs don't spin. And that's normal with this top burr assembly off, because there's a safety interlock that uses this pin right here to press down on a button. That indicates the machine that the top assembly is on. So, turning this machine back on. Now you can see it turns on. So, what ended up being the issue, why the machine wasn't turning on while the top assembly was on, was because this pin pokes out and is affixed to this via thread, and for some reason, either through vibration or something else, it was threaded too far in and didn't have the length to actually push down on the button. So all you have to do is unscrew that, and give it a little bit extra length, and it should press down on the button. Alright, so there we have it. Thank you for watching.